Hi everybody, my name is Teresa. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to make some banana muffins. This is a recipe that I go to every week. This is off of allrecipes.com and it's called Chef John's Banana Bread. I do banana bread, or I do also the muffins as well. The muffins are a hit. My husband loves them, takes them to work every day. And I'm going to make just a small batch today, so just one recipe as opposed to doubling it. And we'll go from there. Okay, so we're going to start off with 1 cup of sugar, just white sugar. We're going to take some half a cup of butter, or in my case it's going to be margarine because my butter is just as hard as out of the fridge. So half a cup of butter. I'll put the recipe link in the show notes so you can have it as well, and let me know if you do make this, because this is such a fabulous recipe. What we want to do is we want to cream this margarine and sugar together. Of course, electricity works best when you plug it into the wall. Okay, unplug the kettle, plug in the blender. Let's try that again. Okay, so we're going to cream this now. Get everything mixed together and smooth. And you can definitely see how it's starting to cream together there. There we go. Now we're getting little peaks. It's all joining together. We're good. Then we're going to add 3 bananas. Now, one is a lot darker than the other. This one was in the freezer. And I'm sure everyone, if you bake banana bread and banana muffins like me, you probably have a dozen or so in the freezer that you swear are going to be made into banana bread or banana muffins or something. Because you can't throw them out. So slowly those 1 or 2 bananas that were on the counter and get too ripe to eat eventually end up in the freezer. So that's the best place. Make sure you save your bananas, because you will make banana bread or banana muffins out of this recipe. It's so easy. So we're just going to break them up. You can mash them if you want, or just break them up. And it is a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Yeah, about like that. You're going to put milk in this too. And that's just to help with the texture. Just about a tablespoon of milk. And we're going to mix this all together now. Just to get the bananas all smashed up a little bit more. Blend well. Then we're going to add 2 farm eggs. I'm getting eggshells in there. And then give these a good blend. Once it gets blended up, that's it for the blender. Get rid of that. And then it's going to be 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And then it's a teaspoon each of baking powder. Baking soda. And salt. Let me grab the salt. Fill my salt back up. There we go. And then I'll just give that a stir. mix all the wet into the dry into the wet. And then I'm going to mix this and do half into cupcakes, and then I'm going to add chocolate chips to the rest, because I've got someone that doesn't like chocolate chips in their banana nut. They're banana muffins. Now you can also add a variety of things to this. You could do caramel chips, you could do cranberries, you could do chocolate, a whole bunch of different things. So I'll just do first. We're going to do it's about 2 tablespoons on this measuring scoop. We'll add it to the cupcakes. Let me bring you over there. So as I mentioned, we're going to do about 12, so it's 1 scoop. And they will pop up as because of the baking soda. And if we have extra, then that's good. Oh, yeah, we're going to actually have extra, so I'm going to do a dozen. I've also got the oven already preheating at 325. Okay. And then so I'm going to add some chocolate chips to the basket. Anywhere in a third cup to a half a cup. You can also add walnuts. That's another addition you can do. So there we go. Get them all mixed. I do have some more. Don't you love these? Look at that. Christmas. All of it. Santa Claus. I use a lot of silicone cups, so they can be re-washed and you don't have to worry about reusing it. Oh, look at that. Perfect. So let's hope I have enough. Scrape every last drop out of the bowl. We're too short. That's okay. So I don't want to leave these in there. Now the oven's already preheated at 325. So just throw these in. I'm going to throw them in for about 20 minutes and then check them because of the sizing. I'm not too sure. Normally I have these doubled into the bigger Texas style size muffins. So we'll throw this in the oven. Set our timer for 20. So we have it at 325, so it's a little bit lower than you would normally cook muffins. So it'll be a slow rise on them. But we'll check back in 20 minutes and see how it goes. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. What do you think? So I did put these in for an extra 7 minutes. So 27 minutes in total. Just when I opened them up, they hadn't even started to brown yet, but these look fabulous now, don't they? So I've got chocolate chip, banana, and banana here. So try the recipe. Let me know how to do. And thanks for watching. See you again soon. Hi everybody. I'm going to make some, okay. Hi everybody. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Teresa and I'm going to make some no, we're not making blueberry muffins. Making banana muffins. Good. Let's try it.